Here we have the Vauxhall Mokka 1.4 Turbo SE on a 64 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you'll see it's got alloy wheels, 5 doors and tinted windows around the rear. Let's start off inside the boot and then we can work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car you'll see we've got reversing sensors, plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. So we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now before I hop in and run through some controls. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, you've got full leather seats, which are part electric as well. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. So we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we've got the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. At the top in the middle there you'll see we've got the oil temperature gauge and fuel gauge, and at the bottom, as well as the total miles on this car, which are 9,931. It will show you what gear the car is currently in. As this car is an automatic, we are currently in P for park at the moment. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the right hand side we've got stereo controls, and on the left hand side we've got cruise control and the adjustments to reset and set the speed on the cruise control itself just there. Over in the middle here is the main screen for the radio, and the radio itself is just beneath this, which I'll show you in a moment. You can see this car's got DAB digital radio. It's got AM and FM radio as well. You can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth, or you can connect up a USB or auxiliary device should you wish to. Just below that section there is the main stereo unit and the CD player you can see just there. And then beneath that, the dual zone climate control. So you adjust the temperature on the left and right hand side of the car, and you can see there's a little indicator there to show you roughly what temperature you're on, but actually it will show you precisely up on the main screen just there. You can then adjust the fan speed up or down. That button turns the air conditioning on, which it is at the moment, or off. Or you can hit this one and the car will override the fan speed and automatically maintain the temperatures you've asked for. You then override it by adjusting the fan speed yourself. This car has also got a heated steering wheel, heated driver seat and heated passenger seat as well, with 3 different temperature settings. And beneath that we can turn on the front parking sensors or off again. We then have the fully automatic gearbox just here, and there's a sort of a manual mode, so when you go all the way down to the bottom where it says M, you could, if you want to, go up or down a gear by pressing that button there. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.